Hey, homeowners interested in lowering your electric bill. This is John Harper, Director of Marketing here at Green Home Systems. Thanks so much for working with us to check out the possibility of getting solar for your home. Unfortunately, we weren't able to qualify you. Perhaps you had too much shading on your roof. Perhaps you were in a state that we did not operate in, or may have had a utility company that wasn't solar friendly, so it just didn't make sense for you financially. Maybe there was a issue with your credit score where you couldn't qualify for financing. But regardless, we would like to introduce you to an opportunity to offset your utility bill by participating as a Green Home Ambassador with us. That is our solar referral program, which we pay out very generously for referrals that you send to us to get a solar installation. We pay out $1,000 to you for every referral that you send us that goes solar, and $100 to you just for a proposal going out with a quote. We know that you are interested in solar, so this is an opportunity for you to get involved in the solar industry and spread the news on clean, renewable energy to your network of homeowner connections, whether it be other members of your family, your neighbors, whomever who may qualify, and earn you generous commissions where you can use that to offset your electric bill as opposed to going solar. So it's another way of going about that. To get additional information, go ahead and click the link below. You can register to become an ambassador with us. We'll follow up with you shortly with an orientation video to show you all of the aspects of the program. But again, wanted to invite you to join us and get you another opportunity to earn generous commissions to offset that ever-rising utility bill. Thanks so much. Feel free to give me a text, call, or email if you'd like to discuss even further. Thanks so much.